Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Skype tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to adjust the font size in Skype. This is actually quite simple. First I open Skype. Now I click on the three dots at the top next to my name. Here I click on Settings. In the settings I switch to Messaging and find the text size here. This is set to normal by default, but if I click on it, I can also set it to larger, for example. We can see the changes directly here in the text window. The other way around is of course also possible with smaller. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.